When you want power equipment you can depend on, come to Sissons Chainsaws and Stoves. We carry complete lines of steel power equipment and Husqvarna lawn and garden equipment. Our year-round showrooms offer a great range of products whether you're a homeowner or a professional. We also carry a large inventory of CF Moto and Club Car utility vehicles. Whether it's work or play, we have the UTV for you. Come to Sissons, where we've been selling quality products backed by quality service for over 30 years.